Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. If you don't know who I am, my name is Calissa, and today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, and I'm also going to be doing like a little vlog because today me and my best friend are going to see Black is King, so I'm excited. And I also did kind of makeup like inspired like gold and like, you know, just inspired kind of by the video, even though I haven't seen it yet. But this is like the vibe that like Beyonce gives me when she does her makeup, like tones like this, and I'm excited. And I also used the Hufflepuff eyeshadow palette in collaboration with Ulta and Harry Potter, so I wanted to show you guys how this looks. And this is what I used on my eyes today. I love it. And I also used the lip gloss, also from their collection, the 9 3/4 lip gloss. So if you guys want to see how to get this look, and then later on the vlog of us watching Black is King, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so I have already done my eyebrows, I primed my eyelids, and I already refreshed my face with the Evian water. Now I'm going to move on to my eyes, so we're going to be using the Ulta and Harry Potter eyeshadow palette, the Hufflepuff palette, to do my eyes today. Then I'm going to be going in with 24 karat gold liquid eyeshadow by e.l.f. After finishing up with my eyes, I'm going to be going in with the Ordinary moisturizer. This is so good. I'm using the Real Techniques sponge that has this tip on it. I love this sponge. It is so multi-use, but this moisturizer is phenomenal, and it's only $7. You can get it in Ulta and on Sephora online. It's amazing. Makes my skin feel super great, and it's affordable. I'm also going to be going in with the Ordinary primer as well. It's amazing. You can get this Sephora online, and it's only $5. I mean, come on. Now I'm going to use the Nars Comfort Cream Concealer to cover up any zits that I have. Do not blend this out, just apply it how I do, and then you put the foundation on top. I'm going to be going in with the Makeupforever Reboot foundation. This foundation brightens, smooths, firms, hydrates, and evens out the skin, all while making you look flawless. For cream contour, I'm going to be going in with this NYX concealer, HD concealer, but I got it in a deeper shade. And then I'm going to be blending that out with my Real Techniques Expert Face Brush. I'm using all Real Techniques tools to apply my makeup. I love Real Techniques. I think they are amazing. I'm going to be taking the e.l.f. Hydrating Concealer to conceal my under eyes and to brighten my complexion. And then I'm going to be going in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Setting Powder, which is one of my favorite powders. And I'm actually going to be using a microfiber sponge by Real Techniques. Love this sponge. It grabs on the powder really well, and it makes the powder look super smooth. Now I'm going to be taking the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula, and I'm also using the Real Techniques Expert Face Brush just to kind of intensify my contour. After setting my face with the Morphe Setting Mist, I'm going to be going in with the Bretman Rock and Wet n Wild highlight, and I'm taking the gold side and applying my highlight. Look at how beaming this highlight is, and this highlighter was only like $7. Amazing. Now, just to kind of conceal, because I did have quite a bit of breakouts, and to smooth out my chin, I'm using the Makeupforever powder. And then I'm going to be taking Flower Beauty blush, and I'm applying that with the Real Techniques blush brush. Moving on to lips, of course you already know I'm going to be going in with the KKW Beauty Nude #1 lip liner. This is my favorite lip liner. The texture, the pricing, it's only $12, and I just feel like it lasts so long, the actual pencil, and I use it every day. And then I'm going to be taking the Lion King Yes, the Lion King lipstick. This was in collaboration with Beyonce's makeup artist, Sir. I'm going to be applying the lipstick all over, and then I'm going to be putting on some gloss. The gloss I'm going to be putting on is the 9 3/4 gloss in collaboration with Ulta Beauty and Harry Potter. And then that is the finished look. Alright guys, so that is the finished look. I'm absolutely loving it. Now I'm on my way to go see Black is King with my best friend. So let's go.
Baby! Hi, Mama! Hello! Hi!
The great king were here long before us. Ancient masters of celestial lore.
You like it so far? Okay. What would you say about it now that you've seen quite a bit of it? What would you say? What would you say? About what? About the Black is King.
Magical. Like, there's no question about it. What can you say? There's nothing to say.
That's Mom. Yes, that was my drink. I have 3.
To survivors of the world.
Survive quarantine.
To God we belong. To God we return.
Guys, sorry that I didn't post a lot of like content of the actual vlog, because to be honest with you, I was just enjoying time being with my friend. And we got pizza from Broadway. Oh my god, it's always so good. I had pepperoni and cheese because, you know, don't discriminate. And yeah, I'm really feeling my nails, as you can see. I did them myself, like I told you. Ain't that crazy? Them big looking professional from far away. That movie was so good. That movie was so good. It just like inspired me, like, to be better and to do better and embrace like my African side. It was amazing. I mean, the outfits were literally on point. Okay, Beyonce, she looked gorgeous. Her body, she was looking right. She was looking right, tight, thick. Everything was jiggly, and I love it. I loved it. It was so good. It was so, she looked like a Christmas ham. That's what she looked like. Okay, and it's crazy because it's like you could talk whatever you want about her, and you could hate on her as much as you want, but after seeing that film, you got to say after seeing that film, let me hear you. Nothing, because she did that. My favorite, my number one favorite was Already. Time already. It's time already. It was so good. Like, she just looked amazing. And then my second one that I really loved was the one that she was wearing the 2-piece red outfit, and the background was like white and black. Oh my god, I loved it. It was amazing. If you haven't watched it, go watch it. It's on Disney Plus. Bomb. It was amazing. Who doesn't love it? Who watches that and doesn't love it? Like, let's just be honest. Let's just be real. Yeah, it was amazing. That's all I had to tell you guys. Thank you so much for checking out this video. Please make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell in order to be notified when I post new videos. Okay, don't be fake. Sorry if I was a little bit all over the place, but I did have a couple of adult beverages. I hope my little bambas have a blessed day. I hope you do. I hope you really do. I am feeling my nails. That's why I'm showing them so much.